When you need a secure transition from Schedule 80 CPVC to PEX-a, the Uponor ChlorFIT ProPEX brass adapter is your go-to solution for commercial and hybrid systems. This industry-first transition fitting is available in 1/2 inch to 3-inch sizes, allowing integration with existing Uponor systems. Use it in hot and cold potable water commercial plumbing systems, as well as hydronic heating and cooling applications where PEX-a loops or branches tie into a CPVC trunk, riser, or mechanical distribution, especially in schools, apartments, and healthcare facilities. Use CPVC rated primer and solvent cement on the socket or spigot side, and expand the PEX-a pipe and ring using a ProPEX tool for a permanent seal. Always allow proper cure time before pressurization. This lead-free brass adapter features a solvent weld socket or spigot on one side for ChlorFIT, Schedule 80 CPVC, and a ProPEX expansion fitting on the other, designed for a direct connection to the Uponor PEX-a pipe. Quick to install and built to last, the ChlorFIT ProPEX brass adapter is an industry first for iron pipe size that brings together 2 proven systems with strength, reliability, and peace of mind on every job. Don't use the adapter in UV exposed areas or with pipe systems that aren't rated for solvent weld or ProPEX connections. You should always confirm system compatibility. When you're converting to copper tube size systems, this is where you can use the Uponor Legacy CPVC adapter that adapts from Uponor ProPEX to copper tube size CPVC. This Legacy adapter had historically come with an iron pipe size adapter, where the ChlorFIT one is an all-in-one solution for iron pipe size transitions.